He's letting you pass, isn't he? Isn't he letting you pass? Indicator on. Fucking dickhead. Yeah, I know. He waited too long for you, you cunt. You had it on for ages.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me.
Fucking Oggy's behind you, mate. He thought you were just driving normal with that indicator left on. Yeah, you're legging little arse on that. The 10-year-old boy. I should have gone for chips, sausage, egg and beans without the beans. Yeah, that's Grindleford done. We're now going to we're going Raven, aren't we? So we've got 1 hour 54 now to go to the Raven. And it's not rained yet. Yeah, I'll have to, I'm going to order them thermal mats just in case. Not taking a chance of having a cold night again, Ogg. Fuck that shit. You better get your sleeping bag ordered, mate. Otherwise you'll be sleeping in mine. And I've started sleeping naked now. Oh, Oggy, what I'd give to be back on my boat. Fucking beautiful it was. Well, I was like fucking vice captain, wasn't I? Yeah, it's fucking beautiful. Well, you got to turn right at this roundabout. Could do with a good fucking, with a good strongbow now, mate. Yeah, it's every day I had a drink, yeah. I'd say there's not much more to do on a boat, is there? Apart from drink, eat and fart. Go, you fucking wazzock. Wazzock? Get that shit picked up, look. The old shit picker. It's nice, nice. Roll on fucking next year, I say. Deb was gutted. She said she could have easily done 2 weeks. Yeah, it's proper relaxing. We had some fucking laughs. At the Bull's Head pub we went in, where they were all fucking disabled coming in. Fucking Jed was crying. Fucking in with the ticks and that. Fucking hell, it was beautiful. Yeah, his ass was bad first night. Fuck me, it was. The whole boat stunk of shit. A good arse on him, Jed has. I've never known anyone fart that loud and not actually shit themselves. Oh, look at him, fucked off and left me. I should have gone then. You might have to. I've got fucking people turning now, bastards. Oh, come on, you Tory bastards. Get out me fucking way. Come on, you Tory bastards, now get out me fucking way. I'm on my way. Fucking Boris Johnson loving cunts. Yeah, remember the old porn films? Good ones, weren't they, when we were younger? El Combusters 4 and shit like that. Used to love them. Fuck off, Oggy. You're one of the biggest wankers in our family. You used to have video nights, didn't you? You'd all hire videos out, fucking, or even when kids were younger, fucking Blockbuster nights. Go get some games out, hire them. Get any of that anymore. Yeah, I can't. There was Channel 40 at top of town. That was a Blockbuster down there. Yeah, and then what was that other one? There was another one Oh, fuck me, Channel 40 top of town. What was that one on Lethbridge? Me and my mum were on about where we used to get videos from that house. I can't remember what the name of the people were that owned the house. Remember, they had the wooden thing at top of Dunham Hill, Dunham Road. Like wooden cladded house. And yeah, we used to hire videos. Me, Frank, we all used to hire videos from there. They printed like an A4 paper of all the videos they had and posted it through, and it was like a quid for the weekend or something. Via all these copied videos and shit they did. Love coming out of you, Oggy, I do. Love coming out of you. Fuck off, mate.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I've got mine on. I had mine on. That's him on that corner, that is. Like, fucking cunt I am. I thought I had you then. I thought I had you, then I looked down and mine was going. What a cunt. Oh. I'll cut my bit out. I'll turn it off just before I notice. Blur it or something. Fucking spastic. I thought I had you. I thought it's been a long time. I've got the cunt again made up. Oh, that's beautiful, Oggy. Fucked it all up that I did. Oh, bumpy bumpy. This is the Buxton, what's it called? This foot. Fucking cat and fiddle shit. Yeah. Fucking wankies road out. Beautiful scenery, the road is wank. It's that bumpy. So don't even bother coming up here. 50 mile an hour, yeah, that's fucked it. Waste of time. They've taken all the fun out of coming up here now. Just keep the road shit. I mean, if it was more than 50, you'd probably come off over one of the potholes. You can have that. Right up your shitty ass. Have that. Right up your shitty ass. I love beans. I love bacon. I love sweet potato fries. Oh yeah. My little song about the love of food. I love hash browns. I love pizza. You don't like hash browns, did you say? You fucking weird, Oggy. Oh, Oggy, you're a disappointment, mate, sometimes. I didn't think anyone disliked hash browns. Oh, you're strange, you are a strange little being. I love everything. Oh, we're in Sandbach. Yeah, we fucking are. Oh, we're in Sandbach. We're not in a fucking car. Yay! It's like that one, Ogg. Beautiful little sing-song. Oh, this is a life, Ogg. What time is it now? 12:34. We'd be pissed up in pub now, eating. Some boat. That's what we'd be doing. Pissed up eating. Nom, 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 nom. Giving it some jogging at the side of the road here. Fucking hell, I've been no good as a rapist. You'd fucking outrun me. Fucking fatty, you'd be on his hands and knees behind her, naked. Oh, Oggy's feeling confident here. Could do with a little stall off your Ogg if you can. Right, I'm outside of you. I'm outside of you. Oh, look at them little titties over there. No wonder. Oh, love, what you doing with them little titties out? Come on, push them out for me. Oh. Right, it's over now. She's got a ginger kid. Pulled me off. Imagine if you could run that fast. Oh, I fucking love that soul rip off, you cunt. We made up. Da da da. Da da da. Tesla bastards, wank me off. Go on, you little heavy comer. See ya, I'm coming. Try that other one if you want. Oh, look at that. Okay now, dirty bitch. Me and Oggy are here at Midway, having a brew. I just caught him looking at some erect nipples. Well, Oggy, that was an experience, wasn't it, Og? Old Midway, they have some fucking people there you can take the piss out of. Well, Og, not long now, mate, and then we're Vernie. Can't fucking wait. Can't wait to get you in that tent. Got proper toilets on that campsite? Good, because I love a good shit on a proper toilet. Make room for the mushrooms. Old advert, innit? Yeah. Can't remember. I know it's an old fucking TV advert for something. I take it it's mushrooms. Fuck me, they're getting on everything at that pub, aren't they? Ukraine, fucking gay pride. Fuck me, how else? Drag them in. You non-binary bastards. Honestly, you couldn't do, how else could they try get in with everyone? Fuck me. Finger me, but don't finger my asshole. Oh no, finger my ears. Finger my ears. And give them a scratch. Yeah. Everybody likes lasers though, don't they? Apart from a lot of them lesbians, you look at the fucking women, there's always one fucking big butch one that looks like a bloke. Isn't there? You don't get, it's very rare you'll get two really fit fucking lesbians like you see in films. There's always one built like a brick shithouse who you prefer fuck than fight. Titty titties, titty titties. Cover them in custard and the mine. I'll have the custard, you could have the titties.